is going to be, I am elementary school dropout turned serial entrepreneur who accidentally fell into an insect business of all businesses on Amazon and eBay and successfully exited it. Had no idea what to do with the money, with no financial skills, because they don't really teach you that as an elementary school dropout. And I realized that at the rate that I was partying or living it up, that I would be broke within a year. And the only thing that I had ever succeeded at in my life to that date, was selling online, Amazon and eBay. So I immediately turned back to that and started a beverage chilling device, like accessories. So anything that could chill a beverage at the time, that was the first brand that I created afterwards. I also started a wholesale business on Amazon. Since then, fortunately, I mean, definitely had a lot of bumps and bruises along the way. It's not been this just rocket to success. I think I have made every mistake along the way that you can think of. And I just kept going. And fast forwarding, ending the digest now, fast forwarding to now, along the way, I started an agency, Bluebird Media and Marketing Solutions, which works with Amazon sellers. I started a really small meetup group, which for Amazon sellers, which turned into being the largest Amazon seller meetup group in the world. We meet 18 times a month, of which you were a speaker. Crazy. Saturday. Yeah, divorce-worthy amount of meetups per month, according to my wife. And let me see what else. I met an amazing woman who I wound up marrying and making my wife, which is I attribute to the majority of the success that I've had. I have two amazing kids, 2.5 and 9 months old. And I have a bearded, bald friend, amazing friend, who somehow snuck me on this show.
Yeah, it took a little bit of bribing, but we got you on.
Is that the digest? Is that a good digest? I've never told it like that.